morning, everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. I am so sorry I have not filmed anything in almost a week and a half because for the last week I've been a little sick since coming back from vacation. I've been fighting a sinus infection and a bit of a cold, but I'm feeling so much better now. It is Saturday morning and I'm probably gonna be leaving in about 30 minutes to go to Houston this weekend. One of my best friends is throwing a Halloween party, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm super excited. I haven't seen them in quite a few months, I think. I'm not sure when the last time I saw them was, but I'm super excited. We are at Spirit Halloween, doing a little shopping. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything at all. Saturday and I'm about to head to Revolving Sushi for dinner. I'm so sorry, I still have not filmed very much over the last few weeks. I have just been super busy, but I'm actually in the middle of packing right now because I leave this Tuesday, which is Halloween, to go on another trip. I'm super excited because it's a destination wedding and I've never been to the country where the wedding is at. And I'll let you guys know where that is as soon as we get there. Good morning, everyone. It is about 1:30 in the morning. My flight is at 5 a.m., but I have to get to the airport early because I have to fill out a travel authorization form. As you can tell, I'm exhausted, but we'll get through this. We have made it to Aruba. All right, guys, so I just made it to my Airbnb. I got here a day earlier than what I was originally gonna plan on being here, so I had to find something very last minute to stay at for tonight. I'm gonna stop the vlog right here because I've got a lot planned this week and all of that stuff's gonna be in the next couple of vlogs, so make sure to stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.